what is relative atomic mass? How can you determine the relative molecular mass of carbon dioxide? What is the difference between relative molecular mass and relative formula mass? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain about relative atomic mass, relative formula mass, and relative formula mass. But before that, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Here we go. So we start with relative atomic mass, RMM. So mass of an atom is compared to another atom that is chosen to be a standard. So scientists agreed to use carbon-12 as a standard. So average mass of an atom is being compared to 1/12 of the mass of one carbon-12 atom. So for example, relative atomic mass for hydrogen is 1, for oxygen is 16, fluorine is 19, magnesium 24, and calcium is 40. You can find all these relative atomic mass in the periodic table of elements. Next is relative molecular mass, RMM. It is the average mass of a molecule compared to 1/12 of mass of one carbon-12 atom. It can be calculated by adding up the relative atomic mass of all atoms in a molecule. For example, is carbon dioxide, CO2. To find the relative molecular mass for carbon dioxide, 12 plus 16 plus 16, or another way, 12 plus 2 times 16 to get 44. Next, we move to relative formula mass, RFM. It is the relative mass for ionic compound. It can be calculated by adding up the RAM of all atoms shown in the formula. For example, is magnesium chloride, MgCl2. So to calculate the RFM of MgCl2, 24 plus 35.5 plus 35.5 equal to 95, or another way is 24 plus 2 times 35.5 to get the same answer, which is 95. So now let's do some exercise. Okay, ready with your calculator. So here are some elements with the relative atomic mass. So what you have to do is to calculate the relative molecular mass or relative formula mass for hydrogen, H2. Relative atomic mass for hydrogen is 1. So the answer is 2 times 1 equal to 2. Okay, next is oxygen, O2. So what is the relative molecular mass for oxygen? Relative atomic mass of oxygen is 60. Find the RMM for oxygen. 2 times 16 equal to 32. Next is carbon dioxide, CO2. So what is the RMM for CO2? It's a combination between carbon and oxygen. So carbon 12 plus oxygen 16 times 2. So the answer is 44. Next is ammonia and H3. So what is the relative molecular mass for ammonia? Relative atomic mass for nitrogen is 14 and hydrogen is 1. 14 plus 3 times 1 equal to 17. Next is iron 2 nitrate, Fe bracket NO3 2. What is the relative formula mass for this compound? It is 56 plus 2 bracket 14 plus 3 times 16 equal to 180. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you guys.